Guys, Time is a Beauty. Want to put this video out there and show you my Prime Day results. A lot of people have been asking me to show you this, so I said I'll finally show it to you. Let's see what average results are for Prime Day in October 2022. Spoiler alert, most people had a 2 to 3x and with minimal ad spend. I don't see any snowball effect afterwards, meaning we had a big spike in sales for those 2 days of Prime Day, but then after that, sales really fell right back down. The reason why, it wasn't enough conversions for a long enough time. Obviously, every conversion helps. It might have helped a couple percent, but nothing major, nothing worth mentioning. It's not like it's a 7-day deal where you're getting conversions every day and it's improving it and raising it up in the organic ranks. But I want to show you my results. Here they are. As promised, here are the daily sales for this account. Daily sales of 10/9, October 9th, we did $74,000 in sales. 10/10, we did $75,000 in sales. 10/11, we did $125,000 in sales. So that's a great jump. 10/12, we did $140,000 in sales. And then 10/13, Prime Day's over. We went back down to $77,000. Still very happy with these results. Clients very happy. The ad spend was not out of control at all. You can see over here, this is the ad spend from October 1st. This is actually for the full almost 2 weeks, October 1st to the 12th. We did, and active status is on all, nothing being hidden over here. We spent $152,000, did $740,000 in sales. It's improving. ACOS is 20%. And over here, this is today's daily sales. Right now we're at $53,000 in sales. Here's the balance that's dispersed every 2 weeks. It's right now at $1.3 million. So yeah, this account is going great. Let's see over here. Here's another account, much smaller account, but still, they all matter. And over here, 10/9, we did $7,000 in sales. 10/10, we did $7,000 again. 10/11, we did $17,000. And then 10/12, we did $19,000. And then 10/13, it went back down to $5,500. I don't see really a snowball effect from after Prime Day, but I'm very happy with these Prime Day results. Almost 3 times over here. And like we said over here, regular is $75,000. So it's double over here. Very happy. And that's it for today, guys. If anyone has any questions, feel free to write them in the comment box below. Thank you.